The Aurelius Group's certificate generation tool allows assessment administrators to configure a custom completion certificate and have that certificate automatically emailed to a participant upon completion of an assessment in Questionmark. Let's take a look at a certificate template. This is the certificate configuration screen, and there are many options, as you can see. A base PDF serves as the background for the certificate. So this allows you to design any background that you would like for that certificate and upload it as a PDF. You can design this in Photoshop or Illustrator or whatever you would like, and it serves essentially as the background image. Below that are the options for each group of text. On this particular document I have two, one in the center and one in the top left. There are settings for each line of text below that, font settings, style settings, and options for the content of the line itself. There are three dynamic options for the content of the line: participant name, which is pulled from the assessment, assessment name, which is also pulled from the assessment, and date, which is automatically generated when the PDF itself is generated. You also have the option to preview what the actual certificate will look like once you have configured all of your text placement and style settings. If we click preview, this will generate an actual PDF preview of what this document will look like. Okay, as you can see here, I have the two groups of text that I had in the template. In the center we have some dummy text, sample participant name, sample assessment name, and the date. In the actual generation of the completion certificate, these will include the participant's actual name and the actual assessment name. Otherwise, this is correct. So we'll close that. Let's go ahead and say that we're happy with this. We'll click Save. Template has been saved. Let's return to the control panel. The second part of the tool is configuring the email. We're going to pair an email template with a certificate template, meaning we're going to send this email and it's going to have this certificate attached to it. Once we select one of both, we will click Generate. This generates a code snippet which will be pasted into the assessment outcome settings of the assessment itself using Authoring Manager. Anyone who has created an assessment in Authoring Manager will be familiar with this setting. Once you have pasted this code snippet into the assessment, it's ready to go. So let's take a look at what that actually looks like. Here is a dummy assessment which I have pre-populated with the code snippet. So one question assessment. The capital of Germany is Berlin. And we'll go ahead and click Submit. Alright, what you see here is a standard completion screen with some dummy completion text, but what you didn't see was the generation script executing in the background. So let's take a look at my email where I should be receiving the certificate any second. This is my actual email inbox. Oh, here we go. Okay, here is the email. It appears to be sent from tag certificates at theaureliusgroup.com. Those are the settings in the email template and the body text that was in the email template. Completion.pdf, that is the file name we gave it, so let's go ahead and open it. See what this looks like. Alright, here is an actual certificate. Top left you see the group of text I had in the top left hand corner of my template. In the center, my name, my actual name, the actual name of the assessment that I just demoed, and the date, which is the date that the certificate was generated, meaning that's when they completed the assessment. So, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please contact us at this address or visit our website, and thanks for listening.